Hi, everyone. This is Gunjan from GoEmerald and Transform This. I've been thinking a lot about data in space economy. So there's a lot happening in this space with Artemis program heading to the moon, along with a gateway to the moon. And then there are companies like SpaceX, Relativity Space, ULA, and Rocket Lab that are getting satellites into low Earth orbits at an accelerated rate. There are cube satellites, but then there are also satellites that communicate using lasers, which is really cool, but also a new infrastructure and a new way to generate data with a lot of metadata around it as well. So I'm very curious about how this intersects with the number of issues that we're dealing with around data on planet Earth. For instance, the cybersecurity issue is an obvious one. And then there are issues around data quality itself when the data gets aggregated with data ownership, data privacy. So let's meet on January 28th for our first Community Connect for Transform This with responsible data use in space economy. I hope to see you there for an open conversation at the intersection of data and space economy. See you soon.